Do you want to change profile picture on Twitter X? You can add new profile photo on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your profile picture on X. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen to open the side menu. From the menu, tap on your profile name to open your profile page. Now, tap on the Edit Profile button on your profile screen. Your profile editing options will appear. Next, tap on your profile picture icon. A menu will appear with options like taking a photo or choosing from your gallery. Choose Take Photo to capture a new picture using your camera, or tap Choose Existing Photo to select one from your device. After selecting the image, adjust or crop it as needed. Once you are satisfied, tap Use button. Finally, tap on Save at the top right corner to update your profile picture. Once done, your new profile photo will appear on your X profile.